Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dragon Ball FighterZ with two controllers. First, make sure both of your controllers are properly connected to your console or PC. It's a good idea to test them briefly to confirm they are working. Once connected, launch Dragon Ball FighterZ. The game is designed to easily detect multiple input devices for local multiplayer fun. This simple preparation ensures a smooth start to your two-player experience. After launching the game, head to the main menu. You'll want to select the local battle option to begin setting up your two-player match. The game will then guide each player to choose their characters and form their teams. Sometimes, the game might ask you to confirm which controller belongs to which player. Simply follow the on-screen prompts. This ensures both players are assigned correctly before the fight begins. Once both players have selected their characters and teams, you'll move on to choosing your battle stage. Take a moment to review any other match settings, like the round count or time limit, to ensure they suit your preferences. When everything looks good, simply press the designated button to confirm and start the match. Get ready for some intense Dragon Ball FighterZ action with your friend. If you encounter any issues, like a controller not being recognized, try unplugging and replugging it, or even restarting the game. Also, always check your controller's battery life to avoid mid-match interruptions. For PC players, sometimes updating controller drivers can resolve connectivity problems. Remember, a smooth setup leads to the best gaming experience. And hey, life's too short for a stinky car, so check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.